Belly fat is the most unfair thing in fitness. You gain it in 1 week in a pizza and soda, but losing it feels impossible. You run, you sweat, and that stubborn belly roll, still there. But listen, it's not your fault. You're not fat, your habits are. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly why belly fat is so stubborn, and the two-step method that finally melts it off. No gimmicks, no tease, just the truth and results. You ever notice this? Your arms get leaner, face gets sharper, but your belly won't move. You start doubting yourself. Maybe my metabolism's broke how your body works. Once you understand that, fat loss becomes simple. Your body decides where fat comes off first, and the belly is usually last. Why? 1. Belly fat cells are stubborn. 2. Blood flow is weaker there, so fat-burning signals barely reach it. That's why your arms and legs slim down faster, and your belly stays like the final boss. So what actually works? 2 simple steps. Step 1, calorie deficit. Not starving, just slightly less than you burn. Cut liquid calorie. Keep protein high. It fills you up and saves muscle. Step 2, strength training. Build muscle, because muscle burns fat even when you sleep. Every rep you lift, your body becomes a fat-burning machine. The 3 biggest belly fat killers. 1. Starving diets, you quit fast. 2. Cardio obsession, burns energy, not belly fat. 3. Inconsistency, 2 weeks on, then off. Consistency beats perfection every time. Here's your 30-day plan to actually lose belly fat. Strength train 3 to 4 times a week. Walk 7 to 10,000 steps daily. Eat in a slight calorie deficit. High protein every meal. Sleep 7 hours. Recovery burns fat too. Do this for 30 days straight. Not perfect, just consistent, and your belly won't survive. Let's build this together. Eat smart, train strong, stay consistent. Comment day 1 below and start your 30-day challenge today. Come back in a month. Show your